Hey everyone, this is Misty with Nerd News Social, and today I am unboxing the wireless pet fountain by Pawaii. This one is the Waterdrop version, and it is a fountain with filtration. Keep your pet's water nice and clean. Oh, I've got a little user manual in the front. And it just talks about these really cool features like a UV lamp for sterilization and the external water pump. So the stuff stays outside of the water for the most part, which is a nice feature. And then basic instructions on how to set it up the first time and what the different lights mean and how to recharge the pump separate from the kiddie bowl. Okay, so let's see what this looks like assembled. And of course I'm going to have to wash everything out before I get it started. But in the box there is the lid. It's a nice, it's red, but it's closer to like an orange. So it's very sporty in color. I like it. Alright, and then, okay, so the box can go away. And we have fling. So this is very well packed together to minimize package waste. And then in here you can see the pump, the UV sterilizing light, the sensor light here on top, and it gives you some instructions to help remind you how to use it. And then back in the back is the little Type-C charging port, and it comes with a charge cable. And then here is the water filter itself. These you can also get by replacement separately from this company. And then here's the basin. It's a pretty good size. I think it holds about 1 liter of water, which is perfect for a single cat or a small dog. Well, I'm going to give this all a good rinse, charge the port here so I can get that going and demonstrate how nicely this works together. Alright, so I have the unit here. I've filled it with water. I also have the filter on the inside. I want to show you how that's supposed to go. So the filter basket, you've got to rinse it and soak it for 5 minutes first, but it's going to attach right inside of here, and it just clicks in, and then that goes in like so. And let me go grab the pump off the charger there. Hopefully it's got enough of a charge to show and demonstrate. Okay, so I have the pump here. Now, again, it is designed to keep the battery on the outside, and the motor part goes on the inside. And this little bit here ejects the water into the fountain. They recommend cleaning the tubing and everything that you can on here once every 7 days. The filter is supposed to be good for 30 days. So that just slots in there, just like so. And I believe it says we hold the water. Oh, here it goes. All right. So it's not creating a loud trickly noise, so pets that are a little more timid shouldn't be worried about this at all. Let's see how long it takes for that to fill. The full capacity on here is supposed to be 2 liters. And then of course you refill as needed. And by the instructions, once the light here turns yellow, it will indicate that that's got about 3 more days on the filter for replacement. So it gives you ample time to order in some replacements if needed. All right, so now we got some return flow going here. And then it stopped. And then, oh, okay, so it is motion activated. So when your pet comes around to drink, it's going to start the fountain flow again. But to conserve battery, it will turn off after a few seconds when there's no active movement. There it is. It stopped. And there it goes again. And then, of course, underneath there is that UV light, so it's running when the pump runs to help sterilize water, make sure that there's no icky, yucky germs growing in there, or, you don't want any kind of saliva creating bacteria, or even algae, I think, is kept from growing too fast when you've got the UV filter to kind of kill off the little microbes before they take hold. So this is a really nice fountain for kitty cats and little dogs, and this is going to be my pet's new fountain, and I know he's going to love it because he loved his old fountain, but his old fountain, sadly, it needed to be replaced. So here we are with the fun little Waterdrop by Pawaii. I would highly recommend it. It does have, I think it also comes in a white, a red and a white, and I just went with the red because it's just a fun color.